Good afternoon. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are here at Members RV and Storage.
Members Club Boat and RV Storage.
Sorry about that. I forgot about the boats. How could you forget about the boats?
That's right.
All right, so it's Members Club
Boat and RV Storage.
And where are you located?
We're located at 1525 Southeast Sunset Harbor Road in Bolivia, North Carolina.
That's great. And you are located near the new light on Highway 211.
We are. We're 600 feet from the new signalized intersection. We also have the new Han-Dee Hugo's gas station that will complement our customers. They have a full boat and RV washdown station. They have fuel, ice, anything that you need before you set out to travel or boat. Our facility, we have 4 acres here that's phase 1, and it's all uncovered. We have 24-foot aisleways, and we park on 60-degree angles. We can hold vessels up to 50 feet in length, and our parking slips are 12 feet wide, so they're plenty wide for our customers. It's easy to get in and out. We have 24-hour access with a code. We have nice security lighting. We have the sheriff's department that rides through here at night. We also have a 25 by 12 washdown station, so as you come in and out of the water or from the road trip, you can wash your vessel down before you park it. And we also have free air and Wi-Fi at the facility. So we've been open about a month and look forward to taking some new business.
And you're not too far away from the wildlife ramp there at Sunset Harbor.
That's correct. That's correct. We're about 4.5 miles to the boat ramp, and the North Carolina State Wildlife just added a second launch to that ramp. So it's a very nice facility, plenty of parking, and it's almost a hidden treasure down there. So a lot of people don't use it, but it's plenty of space, plenty of parking, and we're close. So
it's a great time to go fishing on the river and catch you a nice trout or a drum or something nice to eat today. Now you can catch the flounder, but you got to throw those back right now.
You sure do.
But this is a wonderful storage facility, and the name says the Members Club, but it's not associated with St. James, correct?
No, ma'am, it's not.
We're
a public boat storage, and we have it's called Members because we encourage our customers to be long-term customers with us and become a member. And we give different pricing incentives because of that if you stay with us at least a year. We have promotions right now for anyone that's wanting to sign up. If you're over 30 feet in length, we're $55 a month. If you're under 30 feet, we're $50 a month, but we'll give you $5 off or a month free, whichever one you choose, if you sign up with us over the next 30 days.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
So those people that do live in the housing developments like the Members Club, St. James, Palmetto Creek, all kinds of different, they can't store their boats and RVs in their yards. So this is a great facility and conveniently located for them.
Sure is. We've been catering a lot to the community of Avalon. 5 of our customers are from Avalon. We have a customer from River Sea, Winding River. So there's about 11 subdivisions within 5 miles of us, and we're hoping to capture their business and provide a nice service to them.
That sounds great. And again, they're so convenient to everything. They're right up to 11. It's at the new stoplight there as you go into Sunset Harbor Road. Your address is?
1525 Sunset Harbor Road in Bolivia.
And your website?
Is Members Club Boat and RV Storage.com.
And you spell out and?
You do.
Okay, so it's the Members Club Boat and RV Storage here on Sunset Harbor Road in Bolivia. Come out and check them out. Go to their website. Phone number?
910-279-0905.
So don't store your boat in some kind of, or your RV, or
That's right.
I mean, you might even have a vehicle that you just can't store in your driveway or in your garage.
Please bring it to us.
They're here
your business.
for you. So thank you very much, and we look forward to filling you up.
Thank you.